You guys, another good omen. Little ladybug visiting my workstation. We've picked a spot for Emmett's new pear tree. We're gonna have a little orchard here.
We already do.
Emmitt insisted on a pear. He got a pear tree last year for his birthday, but we said, you don't want an apple, apricot, anything? Nope, pear. He has an Asian pear now, and what kind of pear is this?
Barlet.
Barlet. Kevin had the great idea that we should plant an apricot tree for the centennial 100th anniversary of the Armenian genocide. Apricot is the national fruit, right, of Armenia? I think it is. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure. If not, it's like very much associated with Armenia.
Alright. Datev and I are going to pick up Emmitt. Datev's got the chariot. I just decided to skateboard for 3 miles like an idiot so far. Thanks for the ride, Datev. You trying to shake me? Just relaxing.
All aboard the Datev taxi.
Taxi!
We should have brought him like some snacks and soft drink.
So tiny!
A little magazine.
Em, are you having fun? Say thanks, Datev. And for pulling me along too.
Me too! Having a blast back here! I'm about to go to drink some.
It's called the slingshot, buddy. What? Take a picture?
Alright, the boys have begun digging
That's nice and soft, huh?
their hole for the new pear tree.
Oh, there's some shade for us.
What?
There's some shade for us. That's lovely.
Alright, the hole is ready.
Right,
Hold them!
okay, you good? You there?
We dig it!
Emmitt insisted that we go on a little bike ride. So he hasn't had enough bike riding today.
And I'm trying to win!
You're trying to win.
On the way!
And by the way, that is Kevin's helmet that Emmitt's wearing. They wear the same size helmet. And I look like I'm riding a bike with no pants on. It's just a no pants kind of day.
She can't stop. She can't take a break. She finishes her movie and she's like, oh, let's clean the whole room now. It's like, why don't you take a break, have a glass of wine, maybe some chocolate.
I just wanted.
Sit down.
I can't relax until the room's clean.
It's just like, come on.
Kevin's quizzing me on the state animals of different. I got
Of the
of
three,
different
no,
states.
of the 3 states you've lived in.
I got 2 right.
Of the okay, so Datev.
Bighorn sheep
No, wait, hold on. Datev has lived in Florida, California, and Nevada.
and Massachusetts.
Yeah, but we're not. Whatever. So Florida, state animal, you got right. Panther. The California state animal, you
I got it
right.
wrong. I got it wrong.
Oh yeah, you didn't get it right. California
Grizzly.
golden bear, grizzly, and Nevada's you got right. Bighorn sheep. Okay, now for the next one. Florida state bird.
Florida state
Really
bird.
cool.
Spoonbill. I don't know.
Mockingbird.
Mockingbird. Oh, we have so many mockingbirds.
Do you know what California is or Nevada's?
Mm-mm.
You should, because I've told you Nevada's a lot.
Oh, it's blue jay. Blue
Mountain bluebird.
mountain bluebird.
In California's, you see more than any.
Seagull. What?
Quail.
Quail?
Mm-hmm.
Quail are so cute. Kevin just made me cookies and milk.
The best.
Well, actually, he didn't make them. He put them on a plate for me.
The best looking dessert ever, huh?
We were gonna go buy something, but I'm like, it's so late, and I really wanted dessert. I wanted to like treat myself tonight. Stop.
Just a nod of approval, that's it.
Here's another one. Looking for Haigazan Holgrosian from Yerzunga. 4 months ago he came to Denver, Colorado. He's been missing for the past 4 weeks. Those who know his address, please contact us.